AI overview. I used Google Lens because I'm looking for a local recycling company that's going to take care of my recycling. My search intent is that I have a Google Coke bottle and I want to return it. I want to get some money back, or I want to have somebody that's going to take care of my recycling. So the AI overview, very nice. It picks it up. It tells me where I can return it to. Very quick and easy. Lovely. It tells me how much money I can get back. It even tells me that I can SMS glass and they will tell me exactly what to do. Great. I don't really want to do this, so I'm going to follow that little block there to see if I can find the best local recycling company. So I click the little block. It takes me to an FAQ page, and it also takes me to a local listing page. And then there was another little block that had the City of Cape Town government website. So I ended up following the City of Cape Town. Since I'm in Cape Town, I'm looking for a local recycling company. I clicked that. Obviously, it took me to the government portal. After that, it listed a whole bunch of different companies that do recycling. A lot of them I clicked and it redirected again and redirected again. Obviously, those companies have closed down, so don't really want to use. So anyway, what I did after that is I found a company that did list for my area within Cape Town, and I went onto their website. Their website wasn't very user-friendly, so I ended up going to the Instagram account, and now I am having a conversation about my recycling. So basically that is the AI overview in a nutshell. Do you like it? Don't you like it? I thought it was really cool as a consumer, as a searcher, not as a business owner or SEO or a marketer, but as somebody looking for something really fast. I thought this was really cool. The fact that I can use my phone to snap a picture and search like that, firstly. And secondly, the AI overview telling me exactly what to do, where to find it, and how to get it. I thought this was really cool. Obviously, a whole bunch of things, the other businesses at the bottom of the page are going to be left behind. But it is 2024 at the end of the day. And if you are not using AI, you should start now.